Right, so I just thought I'd show you a new book I've written, How to Make a Natural Slingshot. Now I've done this one slightly different to the other books, I'll show you in a second. And also I've revised repurposed bushcraft equipment. If you remember, it was this big. Now I've made it this big and added a few more bits to it and kind of made sure I got rid of any mistakes that I'd noticed. I noticed there's about one or two spelling mistakes. There may be more, but I think I got them all. Because the big one, it ended up that some of the pages seemed kind of half empty, if you know what I mean. But it made the photographs bigger and better. So what I've done is I've shrunk it down, and now the pages are more like this. Pictures are smaller, but the pages are more filled in, if you know what I mean. It makes it a slightly more handier sized book, and I've put some more extra bits in it at the back. They're not in the other one. So that's the revised version of that. I'll put a link to it. And then this is the new one. So basically it says on the back, a complete guide on how to make a natural fork slingshot. So I'll open it up and show you some of the pages. So I've done this entire book. It's done in photographs like this. The entire book is like that. So the picture tells more of the story. You know, the writing is good enough, but the picture tells more of the story, you know, more of a visual aid. I was going to call it How to Make a Natural Catapult, but Slingshot seems to be the more, you know, common name all over the world, whereas in the UK we normally call them catapults, but all over the world they're more known as slingshots. It's got minimal writing in it, and like I said, more pictures. So that's the first page, or the beginning of the actual thing, and it tells you step by step how to make it. Right, so that's that one. Just try to think of a couple other things I've done. I've also lowered the prices on all the books. They're all the same price now, so every single one of them is about, I think it's in America it's $6.03. In the UK that's around, I think they're on, well, whether that's the equivalent, but they're on UK Amazon for £4.50. So to be honest, these books now, including the other ones, you know, some of these are bound to be less than the price of a magazine nowadays. So you can get a book for, you know, for either roundabout or less than a glossy magazine now. So they should all be the same price, and then you've got the equivalent on all the other Amazon websites. But they're the latest two. Revised version of repurposed bushcraft equipment, and How to Make a Natural Slingshot. Oh, and also I think they're all available as ebooks as well, and the ebooks I've done, they're on there dirt cheap, so they're like, the ebooks is minimum price. I think it was in dollars is $2.99, and that may be $1.99 in pounds. That's for the ebook. I'm going to get back to making some traps and that soon. I'm still going to throw in other videos, you know, a bit of repurposed stuff here and there. and whatever else comes to mind. Right, so just watching, and I'll see you later.